Well, in the latest, Union Minister has waded into the Prada Kolhapuri Chappal controversy where Piyush Goyal has said, and I quote, when a global brand used the design of our Kolhapuri Chappals, Commerce Ministry immediately took action on it. Going forward, when the Kolhapuri Chappal is exported, India will get the due credit for its design. The Kolhapuri Chappal can have a business of 8,000 to 10,000 crore rupees in the international market, is the statement that has come in from the minister. Listen in.
भारत जो जीआई प्रोडक्ट्स होते हैं, जैसे हमारी कोल्हापुरी चप्पल का किसी ने एक्सपोर्ट में डिजाइन इस्तेमाल किया, कॉमर्स मिनिस्ट्री ने तुरंत उस पर एक्शन लिया और आगे चल के कोल्हापुरी चप्पल जब एक्सपोर्ट होगी तो भारत को क्रेडिट मिलेगा, भारत के नाम से होगी कि ये भारत का जीआई जो जीआई प्रोडक्ट्स होते हैं, जैसे हमारी कोल्हापुरी चप्पल का किसी ने एक्सपोर्ट में डिजाइन इस्तेमाल किया, कॉमर्स मिनिस्ट्री ने तुरंत उस पर एक्शन लिया और आगे चल के कोल्हापुरी चप्पल जब एक्सपोर्ट होगी तो भारत को क्रेडिट मिलेगा, भारत के नाम से होगी कि ये भारत का जीआई प्रोडक्ट है। और बड़ी बड़ी अंतर्राष्ट्रीय कंपनियां आज इच्छा व्यक्त कर रही हैं भारत के प्रोडक्ट्स को अपने साथ जोड़कर, भारत के डिजाइन्स को अपने ब्रांड के साथ जोड़कर आज विश्व के बाजार में बेचना चाहती हैं।
Cutting across to my colleague Milan Sharma for further details on this statement by Union Minister Piyush Goyal. What exactly does he mean, Milan, when he said that the Commerce Ministry took action when the Kolhapuri Chappal controversy happened with regards to mentioning exports of Indian products, especially of the category of these Kolhapuri Chappals? What exactly are the plans? Which are the international companies that are particularly showing interest towards these India-made products?
Well, he was speaking in context of the India-US FTA agreement that has been recently signed, and he was stating how the Indian indigenously made products are now recognized and are being wide on by global companies across the world. So he was giving an example of the recent case where a luxury brand called Prada had stolen the design of the indigenously made Kolhapuri chappals, which are created in Maharashtra as well as in Karnataka. And he said that the Commerce Ministry has taken an action. They had actually made the company to face a class action lawsuit of about 500 crore rupees that was filed by the indigenous makers from Karnataka. And in that lawsuit, Prada had to respond to the allegation that this is a GI product of India and that it was unfairly stolen and shown as their own in Prada's Milan Fashion Week for the Spring-Summer Collection 2026. That was the men's collection. And yes, I mean, Piyush Goyal was candidly speaking on how a lot of these products that India will export to the world market, especially in the backdrop of the UK and India FTA, will be recognized, and India will be able to take credit for it. Indian artisans, Indian product makers, creators, innovators, inventors will be able to take credit for this because the international market is flush with Indian products. Indian products are made in good and great quality. And of course, speaking on the Kolhapuri Chappal controversy, he said that certainly these chappals can alone do a business of around 8,000 to 10,000 crore rupees in the international market. And that is the kind of supremacy that India has.
Oh yes, absolutely. And it is high time that we truly realize the potential of the craft and the many products that are completely made in India. Why do we have to recognize it when someone like Prada has to imitate our products, and that's when it gets the fair recognition?